A slide menu is a widget that allows users to select options by sliding through a list, often used for settings like date or time selection. To demonstrate the usage of the slide menu control, we need to add icons for coordination. Click on the widget icon in the toolbar and add 6 images in the parameter setting window. If you're unfamiliar with how to set the parameters for the widget icon, please refer to our other tutorial video titled Icon and Variable Button for detailed guidance. This will not be covered further here. Click on the slide menu in the toolbar. In the parameter setting window, change the right address to match the icon's right address to achieve control over its images. In the direction parameter, select the sliding direction of the images. Assign images to the foreground and background. Set the values of W, H, L1, and L2 based on the dimensions of the foreground and background images and the line spacing of their content. For detailed methods, please refer to the UI Editor user manual. Min value and max value are used to define the range of selection based on the prepared material. In this example, since there are 6 options, min value can be set to 0 and max value to 5. Default value must be within the min value and max value. Add step determines the movement for each slide operation. If you want the images to switch one by one during sliding, enter 1 here. Let's build the project under the File menu. Run Emulator to take a look at the demo effect. Observe the effect in our HMI display.